Stray Kids Karma trailer. This is Felix right here. You already know he gonna kill me in a good way. But is he just a belt? You are not real, sir.
The global sporting event that returns every year.
A sporting?
The 2081 Karma Sports event, which will be held this year,
Oh shit! You got medals on medals on medals on medals.
is known to have 8 players participating.
Oh.
Will they be able to break the first record?
Oh shit, Chongmin! Han? Armor. Oh! Not them staring at the camera like that. Let's go, Sungmin Lino. Ooh, I love the hair. Oh, it's the eyes for me. Oh! Oh, that's foul, no? That kind of foul, huh?
Felix, who won the last competition.
You got this.
I got this. Oh, okay, I make up. Can I get a coin too? Are they gonna give away coins? Cause I want one. Oh shit. I was wondering where you were. It's gonna be
The previous champions can participate
rock.
in this event.
More rock. Vibes.
Hip hip. Hip hip.
It better not be hip hip hooray. It sounds like hip hip.
Hip hip.
Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray. It better not be that. It better not be. It better not be any of that. I swear to God, if I call that shit, that's crazy. Anyways, all right. Okay, Stray Kids. You got me. You got me.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of Exo Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.